Welcome back. Well, let's now shift gears to the world of business, where Kenya's fishing industry is facing a digital wave that many fear will sink the sector for good. Fishermen in Siaya County are sounding a major alarm over the government's mandatory rollout of the electronic tax invoice management system, eTims. They warn that the move to digitize energy, or rather every fish sale, will trigger a mass exodus of traders to Uganda, where taxes are lower and regulations friendlier.
Which is called eTims. To us as a fisherman, we doesn't understand about the eTims. So we request the national government to come out with another easy idea or a friendly idea for fishermen taxation. For example, they can even adopt the system of county government of 1 shillings per kilo. That one will help us to collect the revenue from our fishermen, but not eTims. eTims will not help. We are going to lose our fishermen.
Sasa tumeonelea kama jamii ya wavuvi tunatoa ushuru kwa njia mingi. Moja, tunatoa ushuru kwa njia ya kukata license. Tunatoa ushuru kwa njia ya kukata trade licensing. Tunatoa ushuru kwa njia wakati tunanunua vifaa vya kuvua. Pia tunakata ushuru hapo, tunatoa VAT na ushuru zingine. Hapo tuko sawa, tunajua tunatoa ushuru. Na ili hali bado government, sisi wavuvi tena inatutarget, inatoa kitu inaitwa eTims.
The county government of